Today I'm going to teach you how to add a color cycle animation to your Squarespace buttons. This is a fantastic way to make your call to action buttons more eye-catching and dynamic, helping them stand out and grab your visitors' attention more effectively. First, you'll need to go to squarespace.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready so you can access your site's backend smoothly. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add the color cycle animation to your buttons. This will take you directly into the editing environment for that specific site. Now focus on the left side menu where you'll find various options for customizing your website. Click on Website, and underneath that option, you'll see Pages. Go ahead and click on Pages. This section allows you to manage all the different pages on your site, but we're going to navigate away from here in just a moment to access the custom code settings. Again, look at the left side menu and this time locate and click on Custom Code. Under that, you'll see an option labeled Custom CSS. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. Custom CSS allows you to add personalized styling code that affects how elements on your site appear and behave. Here's where things get interesting. I've already prepared the code you'll need for this color cycle animation. Feel free to pause the video at this point to copy it down carefully. Within the code, you can adjust the ID if you have a specific ID assigned to your button block. You'll also be able to customize the colors used in the animation cycle, as well as adjust the speed of the transition to match your site's overall feel and branding. Now let's move forward. Copy the code and paste it directly into the custom CSS field. Take a moment to review it and make any adjustments you'd like, whether that's tweaking the colors, changing the transition speed, or specifying a particular button ID. Once you're done editing and you're satisfied with how the code looks, click Save. This action applies your custom CSS to your site, and your button should now feature the color cycle animation. And that's it. You've successfully added a color cycle animation to your Squarespace buttons, making them more vibrant and engaging for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.